Today we are going to be testing the Too Faced Holiday Collection to see if these lipsticks really do smell like the real thing. Hey, what's up you guys? So the first thing that we're going to start out with is the Pumpkin Pie Pumpkin Spice Lippy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the real thing, and then we're going to do the lipstick, and then see how they compare. So, okay. So this is our real actual pumpkin pie. And then the lipstick. It's a pretty close scent. This one I feel like is a little bit sweeter. So let's see the application. Even though they're not an exact match, I really do love the color. And it tastes a little bit sweet. It doesn't taste like the real thing, but the color is really pretty. So the next one we're going to try is Cinnamon Bear. This is the real thing. So it smells like really cinnamony and spicy, and it definitely smells like a little clovey, a little bit of nutmeg sweetness, but definitely like super cinnamony and spicy. Very fall / winter, so I'm excited. And then for the real thing, the real thing, I feel like it's just not as strong. The actual Cinnamon Bear is it's a really strong cinnamon scent. I feel like this is just a little bit more subtle, which is good. You don't want your lipstick to smell like this, because if you leave Cinnamon Bears open just by themselves, they will make your whole house smell like cinnamon. So I'm going to remove this lipstick and then I'll try the new one. So as you can see, this one is super bright, and I will give them credit for color matching because it's pretty close to the same color. So the next one that we're going to be comparing is the Sugar Cookie one. not that close. I feel like this one is way sweeter than the real thing. This one smells way sweeter than actual sugar cookies. This one is probably my favorite though. The color is really good. It's a really good brown for fall, but it's not as close of a match as the other lipsticks. And finally, our last thing that we have is hot buttered rum. Very like the other ones, like clovey, spicy kind of scent. Yeah, pretty close. So I'm really happy with all of these actually, but if I had to pick a favorite, I would probably say